In this video, I will show you how you can create a Webflow account completely for free. So step number 1 is to click on the link in the description, and that will take you to this page. From here, click on Get Started, it's free in the top right. And now in order to create your account, it's super simple. You can either enter your work email address there, or you can go and create your account using Google. I will be using Google. So after selecting your Google account, you will see this. So they'll ask, what's your name? Tell us how we should greet you. So your first and last name. Then who do you want to build websites for? Clients, my company, or myself? I will say clients. Then what best describes how you work with your clients. So just go and answer all of these questions right here and then click on finish. And once you do that, you will have created your Webflow account completely for free. And you can then get started with actually using Webflow. So that's how to create a Webflow account. Again, click on the link down in the description to get started with Webflow completely for free. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next